Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today we're doing our review. I picked up a Akaso Brave 6 Plus action camera. I watched a few reviews and heard it was pretty good. So we will do an unboxing here and kind of check it out ourselves. Ever since I did the video of me driving the Civic for the first time this year, I decided, you know what, I need an action cam, because holding this Nikon and trying to film something for you guys while, in-car footage is really hard. So instead of picking up a mount for this, I decided to go with this action cam. So let's get it unboxed and check it out. Alright, so once again, it's the Brave 6 Plus by Akaso. Open it up here. Here's what it looks like. Got the screen on the back. Probably record button there. A couple arrows. Looks pretty good. Waterproof case. See what it comes with. Accessories here. Holy cow. Man, look at all these accessories. Handlebar mount, clip here. Never had an action cam, so we'll be trying these different mounts out. A bunch of different mounts. Some straps here. And then number 2. Looks like the charger cable. Some 3M sticky tape. Different back piece. Just in case the other one cracked. Oh, got the start and record button, your battery, and probably your charger. Oh, 2 batteries. Wow. Okay, got back from running the errands. Picked up a memory card for this. 64 gig is as big as it will hold, so I got that. Forgot how cheap memory cards are now. This was only $20, and it can capture in 4K. Batteries are charged. I unplugged it, plugged it back in. They're red. I don't know why. They're blue. But we'll get this thing opened up, get the memory card in, and kind of figure out where we're going to mount it for the first test on this camera. Okay, I think I got it set up the way I want it. I got the case that goes around, not the waterproof case, just a little clip to hold it, and mount it from up top because I'm going to be putting it in the car. And then you can get the Akaso Go app right here, and you can view what the camera's looking through your camera, kind of like a GoPro. And I got the mount right up here on the sunroof. I want to get suction cup 1, but for right now, this is how I have it. So let's stop playing around. Let's get this camera going. Hit the record button right there, and let's switch over. Alright, now we're on the Brave 6 Plus. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know how the audio is. I did pick up one of their mics I thought I could run to my visor for when I do in-car videos. But today, let's just throw this up there on the mount, go for a little drive, and see how it works. Let's go. Hopefully the angle's good for you guys. This is the first trial. said, I've never used the action camera before, but I think it'll help me also vlog a little bit more in public instead of carrying around this big Nikon. You know, that looks funny compared to a little action camera like the Akaso. So we're just going to go for a little drive, and we'll do a little review after it. So, enjoy the ride. That was a bad one. This is bomb. Just got home. Hopefully the video looked good. Just trying to see how the lighting works, you know, if I use this in the garage with just my lights I have on in here. Other than driving videos, I'll probably use this a little bit more out in public. But hopefully the audio is good. Let me switch back to my Nikon here, and we'll finish this vlog. Okay, back on the Nikon. So hopefully those video clips from this Akaso turned out pretty good. Hopefully the video quality is good and the audio is good. I know with action cams, anyone, even GoPros, the audio can be hard to hear, distorted, whatnot. Once again, I picked up the Brave 6 Plus. I don't know if it was in one of my clips or not, but I was talking about how the 6 Plus had better reviews than the newest one. The newest one does have a screen on the front, which is nice for vlogging and stuff. But I'm used to this Nikon doesn't even have a screen, so. But the review said this has better video stabilization than the 7 does. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments below. I know I said that already. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget the drawing for this quick release is going to be a little bit after this video airs. So stay tuned for my Instagram, link right here, CZMate, checkmate. For everyone that hasn't figured it out yet, I know it's kind of weird, checkmate, whatever. It's been my username since middle school, so thanks for watching. I'm going to end this video. Peace out. Until next time. Let's try this again, because I messed up. But you saw a little bit of my video. You know, I drove around a little bit, talked a little bit. Not much, but hey, I got you on the app right now, so I can see if I'm recording or not. This way? That way? Who knows? Who knows with me anymore?